Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifu. It's still your girl again, Blessing. Yeah, it's been a long time that I have posted. I've been so busy, girls. It's not my fault. It's been a busy month for me. So yes, that was why I was away for a while and you didn't see any recent posts for me. So guys, thank you for staying tuned while I was away. I'm going to be reviewing a body wash in today's video. This is December time and everybody is trying to get their skin to be on point for the dirty December. Yes, and most of us on this channel, we're looking for products that will give us the best result without harming our skin and at a very short time, because everybody wants to look on point. December is a time where everybody wants to look good. Yeah, so in this video I'll be reviewing a particular body wash that I have made research on and I have honest feedback to tell you about it, and I'll be talking about several variants of this body wash or shower gel, as you may call it. It has different variants, but I'm going to be listing about 4 of the variants, 3, 4 or 5 of the variants, depending on how time permits us, because I don't want this video to be very long. Now, which body wash am I talking about? Is no other than this one, girl, the Always Bright shower gel. Yes, so I'm going to be reviewing the Always shower gel. I know they have various variants. Like I said, I'm going to be talking about 3 or 4 as the time permits us. So the very first one I'm going to be talking about is this one here. The content looks like white or like a kind of gel. So this one is called Always Bright Extra Whitening Exfoliating Scrub Shower Gel. So you see, this is like your exfoliating scrub to scrub your skin and get rid of all those dead skin cells that are just on top of your skin, dancing and not allowing your actives to penetrate. Now, what are the contents or the actives in this particular product? Manufacturer claims that this particular product has amino acid, glycolic acid and lactic acid. So you can see that it comprises more of AHAs, right? That is, it has more of amino acid, glycolic acid. These are AHA, alpha hydroxylic acid, and then lactic acid. Now, lactic acid is a good acid that is not too strong. The glycolic acid is a very strong AHA that does the job of exfoliation. That is the job. Then you now have amino acid, which is a protein acid, like the peptides, right? This is an amino acid, so it's going to help with restoring your skin barrier, right? So you can see that this is packed with a lot of goodies, a lot of ingredients that will break those hard skin tissue or skin cells that are compounded on top of your skin. And guys, the AHAs in this particular product, the manufacturer claim is 12%. So you can imagine most of the glycolic acids we see are maybe 7%, like the ordinary 7%, and you can see the effectiveness of that glycolic acid. Talk more of this one that has up to 12% of these PHAs and AHAs in it. So guys, clear wrinkles, it would exfoliate dead skin cells. And the beautiful part about it that I love again is that it has 60% SPF. So you see, because they know that the product is very strong, they also put in 60% of sunscreen in it, which you can also go the extra mile. Like I always preach that you get additional sunscreen. Don't just trust their sunscreen, because you can see that this body wash has a lot of acids in it. So for me, who are those that should use this shower gel? If you are your skin is very tough, like you have hard skin and you're trying to break it down, those tough skin, maybe you've tried different shower gels, they are not working, and you're looking for something that will quickly break it down, then I think you should go for this. That's why I'm coming to do this, because I know this dirty December people are looking for quick fix to so many issues. So this one has beautiful ingredients. Say you have a very dull, uneven skin and you're looking for something to clear it, then you want to look at this shower gel, right? Another thing I love is that the shower gel is up to 1000 ml, which is like a 1 liter shower gel. Now let's move on to the next one, guys. The next one is this one here, the Always Bright Daily Whitening Exfoliating Scrub Shower Gel, right? Now this one has its main ingredient as ascorbic acid and collagen. So you've seen the ingredients, so you know which one to go for. This one has ascorbic acid and collagen, so it's basically for people who are trying to brighten up their skin, if possible lighten up, and for people who have maybe sensitive skin, because the collagen there would help restore your skin barrier if your skin barrier is damaged and you have a sensitive skin. So this particular one is more of skin brightening and maybe tending towards skin lightening. It also has SPF 60 in it, and It is a 1000 ml bottle, so it's the one in the gold or amber bottle. Moving on to the third one, guys, is this one that has a red content in it. So the color of this one is red. This one is the extra white daily whitening exfoliating scrub. This one is called the blood orange blossom, right? That is the name of this one. This one contains turmeric as a major ingredient. It has vitamin A, it has vitamin C, and then it has the blood orange ingredient. Now these are the key ingredients for this. This one, the manufacturer claims, is for anti-stretch mark and then white skin, right? If you're looking for clean, white, stable, in fact, let me use their word, they said stable, clean, white skin, and also tackles anti-stretch mark. So if you know that most of the shower gels you use most of the shower gels you use give you stretch mark, you know, there are some people that are susceptible to stretch mark, so they might use some shower gel and it will aggravate it. So this particular one helps to calm the stretch mark, and if possible reduce it or face it out completely, and then it can also give you this clean white skin, right? This one is for people who are looking to get extra shades, maybe 2 to 3 shades. You can go for this one. This one is more of skin whitening. It has vitamin C, it has turmeric, and vitamin A, which is like retinol, and we know that retinoids or retinol derivatives, they are all exfoliating and they help to, you know, take out your dead skin cells. So that is this one. Then the final one I'll be talking on today is this particular one here, the Always Bright High Definition Exfoliating Scrub shower gel, right? This one is a moisturizing shower gel. Now the active ingredients in this one is glutathione, alpha arbutin, goat milk, niacinamide, and goat milk, right? Those are the active ingredients in this one. This one on the label does not show that it contains SPF, so you might want to go for a stronger strength of SPF. The other three I talked about, they all have SPF 60, but this one, it was not captured on the label that it has SPF. Now this one is high definition. As you can see, it's written there high definition, so it is for people who want to get a very moisturized shower gel. So if you know you have dry sensitive skin, right, and you know that your body cracks easily, or when you use products you feel this dryness, tightness on your skin, or you're using retinols or retinol derivative, you know, that on its own is drying and sensitizing. So you want to go for something that is milder and can help, you know, give you more or extra moisture. Then you want to go for this high definition shower gel. This one is not exfoliating, it's not super exfoliating. This one tackle acne, you know, because of alpha arbutin and glutathione, clear blemishes because of the niacinamide. It claims to take out wrinkle and give you this supple, glowy look, right? That is what this one will do for you. So ladies, I have talked about 4 of the Always Bright shower gel, or you call it exfoliating scrub. So you tell me, among these 4, which one do you think would be perfect for your skin? Yeah, which one? For me, I think I love the orange blood blossom. I want you to tell me which one do you think you love and one you think will be friendly to your skin. Yeah, so on this note, girls, I'm going to be calling this video a wrap. If you have not subscribed to our channel, this is the best time to do that. Please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, so that when next I upload videos like this, you'll be the very first to be notified. Until I come your way next time, still your girl again, Chifo. Bye for now.